Today, me and my teammates Anjali, Yuvraj, Adarsh Bimari, Vishant Rale will be presenting on greenfield paper. Talking about the introduction, this company was founded in 1988 in the USA, California. The goal of creating a more sustainable paper industry by offering a range of high quality, environmental friendly paper products. It offers a wide range of products including printing and writing papers, envelopes and packaging materials. All of their products are made using a combination of recycled and FSC certified fibers. And the company is committed to using only non-toxic, chlorine-free manufacturing processes. Talking about our brand, mission, goals and values. Now going to the mission. Mission is to be the leading national source for environmentally responsible, economically sound paper. Goals. We supply paper with the greatest environmental benefit while meeting the business needs of our customers. Our goal is to inspire through our success a fundamental shift toward sustainability in the paper industry. Values. Our core values, authenticity and environmental leadership, are the heart of New Leaf paper. They inform every decision from business strategy to daily challenges. They are the foundation for our culture and our reputation in the market. Now the next slide will be explained by Anjali Bhavsar.
Next topic is recycling. How do a company recycle the products? First is collection. First, the paper is collected from various sources such as from school, colleges, and community center, households, where the papers are used daily, on the daily basis. Then the sorting of the paper is done. Paper is sorted on the basis of different categories on its quality, color and texture. Then the pulping is done. The sorted paper is then pulped, which it means it is shredded into the small pieces, breaking into the small pieces and mixed with water to make a pulp. Next is cleaning. After the pulping, the cleaning is done. Cleaning of the paper, ink, glue and the plastic which is there on the paper. Then the de-inking if necessary. It's not the compulsory process. If the paper is empty, then de-inking is not necessary. It is necessary in the newspaper where de-inking is to be done. Then the manufacturing. Then the clean pulp is formed into new sheets of paper through various manufacturing processes such as dyeing, pressing and cutting. Then quality control. Then the quality of the paper is checked. The new paper is tested for quality to ensure it meets standard for brightness, smoothness and thickness. After that, the packaging of the paper of the new final product is done. Packaged and it is sent to the retailers, offices and other uses. After that, the waste minimization, it is another business sustainable movement. In this we have to reduce the raw material consumption, as we can see in the hierarchy. First to reduce, then reuse, recycle, recover and then dispose. To reduce raw material consumption, use less energy intensive raw materials or fuels and optimize the use of raw materials by using precise quantities. Then improve energy efficiency. For improving energy efficiency, it is to use modern technology and equipment to reduce the production and amount of energy required. Recycling. After this, it is a closed loop system where excess paper material is collected and then used to make a new paper products. We reuse the same product and equipment supplies where possible and disposable materials. Minimize water usage. Implement efficient water management practices such as recycling water, adopting modern filtration technology. Then zero waste approach. Adopt a zero waste approach which focuses on eliminating waste at every level of manufacturing process. Next business sustainable movement is cleaner production. How a company is producing a cleaner product, emission reduction. Greenfield paper manufacturers can adopt methods of monitoring and reducing carbon dioxide emissions. This can be achieved by using efficient energy sources and production technology that consume less energy. Then efficient use of sources. The sources need to be used efficiently, like energy saving, including water and minimum source of raw materials. Then waste management. Waste reduction offers an opportunity to enhance profitability and minimize environmental impact. The adaptation of recycling programs, the use of waste of raw materials and better disposable matters can all reduce the impact of the production on the environment. And improved production technologies. Using environmentally friendly production technologies such as water efficient machinery can help to reduce environmental impact of the production. Employee empowerment. Employees should also be involved in the drive towards cleaner production processes. Employees should be giving their best to keep the environment clean and make the maximum usage of the wastage. From now, you will take over.
Zero emission. So, zero emission process switch to the renewable energy sources. Most paper mills use fossil fuels like coal and oil to power their production process. This fuel emits large number of carbon dioxide and other pollutants into the atmosphere. To achieve zero emission, paper mills can switch to the renewable energy sources like solar, wind and hydropower. Then implement sustainable forestry practice. To ensure a continuous supply to the raw material of paper production, sustainable forestry practice should be implemented. This involves responsible forest management practice such as selective harvesting and replanting of trees. And 3 bottom line. People, planet, profit. People, greenfield paper could ensure that their impact on the environment by using sustainable forestry practices, reducing water and energy usage, so minimizing waste. Then planet. Greenfield paper could minimize their impact on environment by using sustainable practices. And profit. Greenfield paper could maintain a profitable business by producing high quality environmentally friendly paper product that meet consumer demand. Then life cycle assessment. Life cycle assessment. Role and scope definition. This step involves defining the purpose of the LCA and identifying the scope of the analysis. The scope should include all stages of the product life cycle, including the raw material, extraction, production, distribution, use, and disposal. Inventory analysis. The step involves compiling data on the environmental inputs and outputs with each stage of the production life cycle. Then impact assessment. This step involves the evaluating the environmental impact on the product life cycle. The impact could be include climate change, air pollution, water pollution, and land use. Now others will
Okay, so now let's talk about the sustainable consumption. So its methods are sustainable sourcing. The greenfield paper could use sustainably sourced materials for their production process, such as recycled paper and sustainably harvested wood. They could also use materials that are certified by independent and third-party organizations such as the Forest Stewardship Council (FSC) to ensure that the materials are sourced responsibly. So the next point is energy efficiency. The greenfield paper could focus on improving the energy efficiency of their production process, such as using renewable energy sources like solar or wind power optimizing equipment and lighting systems. Now, the next point is waste reduction. So, it could minimize by wasting materials more efficiently and reducing the amount of waste generated. They could also implement recycling programs and encourage their customers to recycle their products. Now let's talk about the next point, that is product design. So the greenfield paper would design their products to be more sustainable, such as by using eco-friendly materials, reducing packaging and ensuring that their products are recyclable. So now let's talk about the consumer education. So the greenfield paper could educate their customers about sustainable consumption practices such as reducing paper usage, recycling paper products and choosing environmentally friendly products. Now let's talk about the green economy. So in the production of greenfield paper, the green economy could be promoted by focusing on the following aspects. That is, first one is green sustainable production. So the greenfield paper could use sustainable production practices such as minimizing waste, reducing energy and waste usage, and using renewable energy sources. The next one is sustainable sourcing. Greenfield paper could use sustainably sourced materials such as recycled paper and sustainability harvested wood and ensure that the suppliers also follow sustainable practices. Now next one is green innovation. So the greenfield paper could invest in research and development to create innovative products and processes that are environmentally friendly and social responsibility. Now next one is circular economy. So it could be promote a circular economy by designing their products to be recyclable, implementing recycling programs and using recycled materials in their production process. Now the last one is social responsibility. So it could prioritize social responsibility by promoting fair labor practices, engaging with local communities and supporting social and environmental causes. Now the next slide will be explained by my friend Vishal.
Talking about sharing economy, in the production of greenfield paper, the sharing economy could be promoted by focusing on following aspects like collaborative consumption, resource sharing, and circular economy and community engagement. Talking about collaborative consumption, greenfield paper could promote collaborative consumption by encouraging customers to share their paper products, such as through the rentals or sharing programs. Source sharing, greenfield paper could share resources with other businesses or organizations, such as sharing raw materials, equipment, or transportation services. Circular economy. The greenfield paper could promote a circular economy by encouraging customers to return used paper products for recycling or reuse and using recycled material in the production processes. Community engagement. Greenfield paper could engage with local community to promote sharing and collaboration, such as supporting local sharing initiatives and participating in community events. Talking about industrial ecology. In the production of greenfield papers, industrial ecology could be promoted by focusing on the following points. So first point is sustainable sourcing. Sustainable sourcing. Greenfield paper could be used sustainable sourced materials such as recycled papers and sustainability harvested goods and ensure that their suppliers also follow sustainable products. Closed loop system. Greenfield paper could create closed loop system that recycle waste and byproducts back into the production process, such as using paper scraps for pipes or converting waste heat into energy. Product life cycle analysis. Greenfield paper could conduct a life cycle analysis of their products to identify areas where they can reduce environmental impacts and increase efficiency, such as optimizing transportation routes or using energy efficiency product processes. Collaboration with other industries. Greenfield paper could collaborate with other industries to create symbolic relationships, such as partnering with a waste management company to recycle paper waste or using waste materials from another industry as a raw material. Green innovation. Greenfield paper could invest in research and development to create innovative products and processes that are environmentally friendly and socially responsible. Next slide. Please.
So this is our team. Thank you.
Who's absent?
Sir Kenneth is absent because his leg is fractured, so he can't.
Oh.